This is our app LotSpotter. It's a parking occupancy solution for the University of South Carolina. I'm Austin Staten.
I'm Abigail Delnos.
I'm Daniel Jones.
I'm Louis Baez.
I'm Cassidy Bradley.
Our idea for LotSpotter is to design an app that will address the parking problems that faculty, students, and visitors experience on campus. Currently, when people are trying to park on campus, they don't know how many spots are open in each lot or garage, have difficulties finding directions to specific lots, and are confused by the lot names. Because of the downfalls of the parking on campus, people often waste time driving around lots trying to find an open space and are late to or miss classes and appointments. People also will have to separately spend time looking up and finding the address to the lot they want to go to. LotSpotter aims to solve these issues by providing a streamlined parking experience. With LotSpotter, the user can see what lots and garages currently have open spaces, purchase and manage parking passes, see all lots on a map and choose the one they want directions to, share lots with their friends, and save the lots they park in most under their favorites.
Our application is built using the Ionic 5 framework, with AngularJS for functionality and navigation, Chart.js for graphic analysis, HTML and CSS for the styling, Cordova to handle the hybrid native features between different mobile devices.
Our app also uses some interesting libraries as well, including Google Maps so users can see where lots are around campus, Google Auth for our login functionalities. We use Firebase's Firestore, which is a NoSQL cloud database that helps our server and client-side development integration. This allows us to communicate with the database not only from our app, but also from scripts so we can generate test data. To test our application, we are using Jasmine as a framework, Karma for the runner, and Protractor for end-to-end tests. To build our app's APK, we've been using Android Studio.
To begin our LotSpotter demo, we're going to start with a small skit that will inspire a user story where one LotSpotter user teaches another how to use the application. Following this, we will have a short explanation of the other features in our app that are still relevant, yet not covered by the user story.
Oh my god, I'm sorry I'm late. It took forever to find parking.
Oh, that's okay. I totally understand. But have you ever heard of the University of South Carolina LotSpotter app?
What is it?
So it's this app that actually really helps out with parking here at South Carolina. All you have to do is create an account, and it'll show you all the parking lots that are on campus, how to get to there, and you can even manage your parking passes.
That's cool. Could you show me how to use it?
Yeah, sign up right there.
Alright, I've created an account and logged in. What should I do next?
Let's start at the All Lots page.
I'll click on that now.
Here you can see a list of each lot, how many spaces are open in the lot, an icon to easily see how full the lot is, and a directions button.
That's so cool.
Yeah, so the icons show yellow if it's kind of full, green if there's a lot of spaces open, or red if there's no spaces open.
Oh, that's pretty useful.
Yeah, so try clicking on the directions button. That takes you to Google Maps, and you can just follow the directions from there and you'll get to the lot.
Oh, that's useful.
Definitely. Let's go back and try clicking on a lot. This takes you to a lot detail page, and there's a lot of useful information on here. To start, the first graph shows the capacity of the lot within the last 30 days. This is really cool to see the trends in the lot throughout the month.
Oh, so that's nice. I could see if the lot gets full around finals and if it's open during like the first week of classes.
Yeah, it's really helpful. The next graph shows the number of spots total that the lot has, how many are being taken up right now, and how many are free.
That's pretty useful. This app has a lot of great information so far to help with the parking situation on campus. I can't wait to share it with my friends.
Speaking of sharing with your friends, there's a really cool feature that lets you share all of this lot information with them. All you have to do is click the bottom right share button.
I'll click that now.
It just takes you to your messages, and you can type in any person you want to share your information with.
Oh, that's super useful.
Yeah, it comes in handy if you're ever meeting someone at the library or on campus, anywhere.
That's great. What are some more features that LotSpotter has to offer?
Next to the address right here is a car button, and that is also another place where you can go to directions. And another feature that it has is the favorites page. Up in the right corner, you see the star that's not colored in right now.
Yeah, what's up with that?
So if you click on that, it'll add that lot to your favorites page.
Okay, cool. Well, I don't want to see 83. I don't even live near there. What lot would I want to be a favorite?
Well, do you have any parking passes?
Yeah, I have a pass for Sumter Street Garage.
Great, that'd be a perfect one to add to your favorites.
Cool. How do I see that?
Just navigate to the favorites page using the side menu or the home screen.
Oh, that's neat.
Yeah, and you can do the same thing to remove it. All you have to do is click on the card and deselect the star.
Oh, cool. So when my pass expires next year, I can take this off the page super easy.
Yeah, and what's even neat is if you're gonna get another pass next year, you can purchase it within the app.
Oh, really?
Yeah, all you have to do is navigate to the purchase pass page and you can purchase it right here.
Oh, so it works for any kind of pass, lots or garages.
Exactly.
That's pretty neat. What's this manage passes function?
That allows you to add the passes that you have right now. So you said that you have a pass to Sumter Street right now. You can add the pass by using the plus sign in the top right corner.
Oh, I think I'll add that. So it's a garage. It's for Sumter. And it expires this summer.
Perfect, now you have your pass. There's also a little toggle next to that plus sign, and that'll show you expired passes or non-expired passes. So if you added a pass from previous years to keep track of the passes that you have had, you can choose to see them or not.
Oh, that's super useful.
Yeah, it is, but I haven't even told you about my favorite feature yet.
What's that?
The map.
How do I get to that?
You can use the side menu or the home page.
Okay, I'll click on that from the side menu.
So this brings you to the Google Maps in the app, and each pin is a lot, and on it is a number that represents the spots open. This is super useful when I'm on campus and I'm trying to find a lot that's closest to me.
Oh, that is neat. What happens if I click on one of these pens?
It actually directs you right to that lot detail page with the graphs and other information.
Wow, this app's pretty great. I wish they had it when I was a freshman.
Me too, it's a lifesaver.
Here's some features of the LotSpotter application that are slightly outside of that user story that we previously went to, although they should apply to any and all users. First, let's take a look at our settings page. In settings, a user can select their academic standing. I'm currently an undergraduate student, so I click the drop down and then I select undergraduate student and confirm. Now it'll list my current standing as an undergrad. The next feature on this page is the testing UI. This is where we simulate the entrance and exit of vehicles from a parking lot, since we can't do this in an actual lot. So we can select any lot. So let's select Hampton Garage. So let's increase the remaining capacity or remove vehicles from the lot. Let's remove 10. And then submit. Hampton Garage had 82 and now has 72 spaces filled. There are 28 spaces remaining. We can see this as validated here. There are 28 spaces remaining. If a user decides that they would like to reset their password, they can click the Reset Password prompt, enter their authentication, and then change their password to whatever they would like it to be. Allows them to successfully change their password, and it routes them back to login page. You should log back into the app to refresh their credentials. Also, if a user is tired of their account being in our database, they are more than welcome to delete their user account at any time. They can go back to settings, delete the user account. This action cannot be undone, but once they click yes, the account will be gone.
And next, we will go over how to purchase a parking pass. Click on Purchase a Pass. You could select a garage permit or a lot permit pass. I'm going to purchase a lot pass. Here, we enter in our shipping information, name, street address, apartment number, city, state, country, and zip code. Here, we can also click the checkbox to pick up from parking services. However, I do not wish to do that, so I'm going to continue to payment, name on card, card number, the expiration date on the purchase and card, the CVV of the card, and the zip code of the account. We will now review the order, and here we can see all the information is valid. I can go back to change or edit any of the information I applied. I'm going to edit my name, view order, and you can see here that the change is valid. Upon submitting the order, you'll get an alert pop-up that says your purchase was successful. It'll now reroute you to the home screen where you can see the purchased pass in the Manage Passes section, showing all passes, and there's the pass that I purchased.
That concludes our demo for the LotSpotter app.
Thank you for your time. Happy lot spotting!